How would you like to make over $8,000 copying my instant commission system? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy my entire system. But first, you're probably wondering, who am I and what can I do for you? But first, may I ask you a couple of questions? Do you want to make 100% commissions every single week? Do you want to get paid to your PayPal account instantly, never having to wait to get your commissions again? Do you want to have your very own hands-free online business in a box, up and ready for you to start earning in less than 45 minutes? Hey, I'm Dylan DeFazio, and guess what? I'm literally going to force you to make money. You see, I have unlocked the secret to this whole make money online thing. I'm sure you've been wondering how. And I found the easiest, most passive way to earn over $1,000 every single week by simply giving away this system. Yes, the one you're on right now. And let it do all the selling and telling. Just drive traffic to a page which I'm going to give you, collect the email, and they're also instantly sent over to this very page you're on right now. You change the button links to your links, they sign up to the 3 programs, and you get paid. Have a quick look at just some of the results we've had by simply sharing this system. Here's the first income stream. In 3 weeks, I've been able to add over 81 members, which is over $8,000 in passive monthly income. Here's the second income stream. Instant payments right to my PayPal account every single week. Here's some more from our third income stream, which has been paying me for years. Now, this isn't to brag, far from it actually. This is to simply let you know what can happen when you have a proven system to copy. And don't worry, I'm going to give it all to you in the simple steps below. I'll take you by the hand and show you exactly how to set it all up. You can start growing your online income on complete autopilot. Again, you will go through the 3 steps on this very page, take action, drive traffic to your capture page, which I will show you how to get red hot buyer traffic, then let this very system do all the work. So if you're ready to get started, follow along with me right now. Alright, so let's go through and set up our instant commission system. Now, the platform that we're going to be using is called This Is Not MLM. What you're going to receive inside of this platform, other than earning 100% commissions of $25 every single week, this system is super cheap to get started, and it has an amazing Facebook script, has Facebook software, and it also has a private membership site which you can get access to for our weekly membership fee. Now, what you want to do to get access to this is click the button below this video. You're going to get redirected over to our sales video. Now, this is a webinar done by Vic, the creator of the system, and he's going to go over all of the trainings. He's going to go over the Facebook auto script. He's going to go more in depth into what the system is and how you can start leveraging it to make money. Now, when you sign up your account, I want you to pay very close attention. You want to enter in your first name and you want to enter in a Gmail account. If you don't have a Gmail account, go over, set up a free Gmail account specifically for this business. You want to make sure you have a Gmail account or you're going to run into some issues. Now, once you've set up your account, you're going to log into your back office. Now, I'm going to quickly show you how to pay the membership fee and the admin fee. The process is the exact same for both. Now, the admin fee, this is going to give you access to the system. So this is going to give you access to the Facebook auto script along with multiple Facebook trainings. It's also going to give you access to your affiliate link. Now, I don't recommend promoting that affiliate link until you have paid your weekly payment, because once you pay your weekly payment, you're going to be able to set up your PayPal button, which I'll be going over how to set that up here in just a minute. But let's jump into how to pay your admin fee and your membership fee. Like I said, the process is the exact same for both. So what you want to do, you want to see when mine is up on April 1st. You can pay the monthly fee in advance if you want, if you don't want it to run out. But the weekly fee you need to pay every Wednesday. If you want more information on that, simply watch this video at the top of the page. But let's go over how to purchase the membership fee and the admin fee. All right, so what you want to do is whichever one you want to pay. If you've already paid your admin fee and you want to pay your weekly membership fee so you can start earning commissions, click on that and you're going to get redirected over to PayPal. Once you're over to PayPal, you want to log in with your PayPal account and you want to click on choose your method to pay. I'm going to use my PayPal balance, and then you want to click on continue. Click on pay now. Now, once you've paid, if you don't automatically get redirected to this page, what you want to do is at the bottom of that page, there'll be a return to merchant, and you want to make sure you click that button. Then you want to make sure you enter in the email address that you used to create your account when you signed up. So you want to make sure you use the same email address throughout the entire system, or your system could not work. Once you've entered in your email, you're going to get a little box like this, and you want to check your email for a notification. Now, I have the login information blurred out, but once you pay your admin fee and your member fee, you're going to get access to our membership site, which is going to allow you to get access to our previous trainings, which Vic does live weekly webinar trainings, and there's tons and tons of value inside of there. So inside of the membership site, there's going to be over 60 modules right now, and these are, very in-depth training teaching you everything you need to know. You got Facebook marketing, you got, mindset training, you got, how to make, let's make $10,000 with this product. There's tons and tons of training inside of this, and if you scroll to the very bottom, there's your 2018 trainings. Over 22 modules this year alone, and we're not even 3 months into the year. So this platform, this is not MLM, is one of the highest converting and best, easiest platforms to get set up with. Now, once you've paid your admin fee and your membership fee, now remember, if you sign up, say you're watching this video and it's Sunday today, don't pay your weekly fee yet. Wait till Wednesday. Just run the Facebook auto script. Click on that button, watch the training. Run the Facebook auto script until Wednesday, and then pay your weekly fee so you get a full week of the membership site. Because access to this membership site, to all these trainings, the password and login information changes every single week. So you want to make sure that you pay on Wednesday so you get the full week's worth of the training and you can go through it and stuff like that. What we want to do now is we want to set up our PayPal button. Now this is very simple. I'm going to walk you through that process right now. All right, so what you want to do is you want to log into your PayPal account. You want to ensure that you have your PayPal account set to business. And then what you want to do is you want to click on Tools and click on All Tools. Then you want to scroll down to where it says PayPal Buttons, and then just click on Open. Then you'll get redirected over to this page. I already have my button set up, but if you don't have one, just click on Create New Button. You'll get sent over to a page that looks like this. Now what you want to do is you want to enter in, membership fee, whatever date. So I have March 14th here for my membership fee. And then you want to make sure you punch in $25, 25.00 US dollars. And then you want to make sure you scroll to the bottom and step number 3. Now in step number 3, what you want to do is you want to look for take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. Okay? You want to click, make sure that box is checked off. Now I'm going to show you where to get the URL to put in this in this box. So inside of your This Is Not MLM back office, you should see if your weekly membership is paid, you should see enter your pay link here, and below that there's going to be, below is your URL redirect link. So what you want to do is you want to copy this link right here, and then you want to go back over to PayPal. Once you're over to PayPal, what you want to do is you just want to paste in that link under where it says take customers to this URL when they finish checkout. You want to make sure that box is checked off, and then click Save Changes. Then you're going to get redirected over to this page here. You want to make sure you click on Email, and then you want to copy this entire link. Then we want to go back over to our This Is Not MLM back office. We want to go down where it says enter your pay link. You want to paste in this link, and you want to click on Update Link. Now you want to make sure that this link works. When you click this button right here, you should get a notification that looks like this. You are logging into the account of the seller. If you get this message, your PayPal button is working. Now that you have everything set up, you're ready to start earning commissions with This Is Not MLM. So continue on to step number 2 and watch the income multiplier system video where I'm going to show you how to copy my entire sales system. You're going to get the exact page that you're on right now, and you're going to be able to copy it and leverage it to start making commissions around the clock exactly like I do. So go down, watch video number 2, and I'll see you guys inside of that training.